Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name is Missy. If you'd like to see how I made this sublimation puzzle, stay tuned for the video. I am going to use HTV Run sublimation paper, and the sublimation blank I'll be using today is the heart puzzle, and I did purchase this from Hobby Lobby, and of course you see the amount on the top. And then I'll be print the picture out or photo out with my Epson EcoTank printer, and then I will press it with my HTV Run heat press. So now I will print. Oh, I have to go back. So I hit the print page setup. Now I'm gonna pick my Epson A550, and we're gonna do borderless. Okay. And now I'll just print. I don't know why you have to change any of that. I'm not going to pick best because best uses more ink. So I'm going to just keep it at normal. And let's hope for the best. There's some clicking. It sounds weird. But that picture looks good though. Okay, let's see if it'll fit on the puzzle. I have the puzzle out. And I will be putting the puzzle onto, or the photo onto the actual puzzle. If I can only open it. I thought that they would have put the cardboard shaped the cardboard like the puzzle, but they didn't. I guess it's a good thing, that way it fits. That way you know that it fits. instead of having to guess. Now I'll just take my tape and I'll tape around the heart so that it doesn't move. Oh, that's really not going anywhere. Now get a piece of butcher paper, I'll cover it, and then I'll meet you at the heat press. And this is butcher paper. Inside of here. So the puzzle's instruction says to heat the heat press up to 400 degrees for 50 seconds. So that's what I'll be doing. And I'm going to place the puzzle down now. And when you're sublimating, you want to sublimate with the image down onto the substrate. So the image is down, face down, sorry, face down on the substrate. Here we go. Okay, I lost it. I think I'll wait until it cools down. Because I don't have on my gloves. I guess it was so light, or maybe it got caught. I don't know. Yeah, that was weird. Okay, so I'll wait until it cools down and then I'll reveal it. So now that the puzzle has cooled, oh, this pen is so cute. Can't even rip it right. So here are the final results, guys. I made this puzzle with my sublimation printer, and I'll link all the items that I used in the description below. And it's fairly easy. Let me know if you ever done a puzzle and if you would do a puzzle. It's a great gift. And also let me know if you know who this cartoon character is and which show she played on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Keep going, glowing, and growing. See you in the next one.